You eating again?
Why don't you like me?
Who the hell said I gotta like you? What law is there say that I gotta like you? I took you and your mama in. Come here, boy, when I talk to you. I asked you a damn question. What law is there say I gotta like you?
None.
Why you stand in front of my face and ask such a stupid question? Don't you eat every day? Answer me when I talk to you, boy. Don't you eat every day?
Yeah.
Boy, as long as you live in this house, you gotta put sir at the end when you talk to me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You eat every day.
Yes, sir.
Got a roof over your head.
Yes, sir.
Got clothes on your back.
Yes, sir.
Now, why do you think that is?
Because of you?
Hell, I know it's because of me, but why do you think that is?
Because you like me?
Like you? I go out of here every morning. I bust my butt putting up with them crackers every day because I like you. Boy, you're about the biggest fool I ever saw. It's my job. It's my responsibility. A man's supposed to take care of his family. You live in this house, fill your belly with my food, put your behind in my bed, because you're my son. Not because I like you. I ain't got to like you. It is my duty to take care of you. I owe a responsibility to you. Now let me get it straight right here now before we go along any further. I ain't got to like you. Mr. Ryan don't come around giving my money come payday because he like me. He give it to me because he owe me. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Now I don't want you to worry about going around making nobody like you. But you best be making sure they're doing right by you. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Now get the hell out of my face and get on down to the AMP now!